Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of L9LE505. This is a 2009 Lexus LS460 short wheelbase car. Excuse me there, I had a little burp after lunch. Obviously involved in a right front collision here. Mason's gonna put the old life support on her. Very clean car though, we love these things around here. We were all fans of the LS400s, we've owned a couple of those, 430s. Never done a 460 though, personally. These are nice, man. This is Japanese luxury. Let's step inside here while Mason gets the box on it. We'll check out. Interior's in great condition. We're gonna have this all for sale. Nice black leather. Bench rear seat. There we go. It's a cluster dim. Or we'll just fire it up. Fire's right up. Oh, there we go. She just needed to boot up. 125,307 miles. It is completely out of gas, but as you guys can see, it is running well. Go ahead and test out all the screens here. How's our maintenance? Oh, it doesn't want to click. Oh, there it goes. Sorry, Andy. Look at this guy, like trying to do work and stuff. All right, well, you guys saw the driver's side power window tested. Well, let's check out the other side. Those are all working. Oh, well, let's go for the sunroof. Sometimes this ends really badly if the car is hit hard enough. They pinch. Does not appear to be the case with this one. Get that closed up here. Let it run here for just a second. Give her a couple revs. Very strong, very healthy sounding engine there. Turn it off. I don't want to run her out of gas. Let's see this driver's seat. Mason, we do these as a set? We do these as a set? We are going to be selling these as a full set of seats. Obviously power, leather, heated. I don't know if they're cooled or not. Oh, they are. Power, heated, and ventilated with a heated rear. Wow, wow, wee, wow, Lexus. Very nice. Great success. This is why we love these cars. Let's give it the old backseat test here. Super luxurious. I mean, I'm 6'1" and I was sitting in the front there, and I can darn near, I could take a nap back in this thing. What we got here? Oh, we got a nice little, ooh, check that out. Illuminated mirror. What was that? I've got a coat hook. And they got everything back here. Check out the cup holder situation. That is always important in a luxury car. Oh, wow. Rear heated seat controls. Where's the cup holder? Oh, there it is. Okay, that's kind of weak. That will not hold a big gulp. Come on, Lexus. We're Americans. We need big, giant cup holders. Ooh. Take a look at the rest of the car here. Andy got it nice and dirty for us after Mason spent all that time washing it.
You're welcome.
Subaru guys. Taillights are in good condition. The rear bumper as well. She's got some dings on her, but we are going to be selling it complete with the parking sensors and the exhaust tips. Same deal with the deck lid. She's nice. I don't see any dings on it, just some dirt. Oh, can't open it. I don't have the keys, but we're going to be selling it minus the taillights. Oh. Wow. Thanks, Mason. Oh, we got a nice OEM Lexus trunk mat as well. We're going to get that listed for sale. Yeah, no rust on this. Pretty clean Lexus. Oh, power close. You know what's sad is I think these things are like sub $8,000. Soft closed doors?
Soft closed doors.
We got to test that. Like Nelly would say, one touch sunroof. Oh, hold on. Oh, very nice.
Great success.
Looks like we've got 4 chrome wheels on it. We're going to pull those off and spin balance them, check them out. Mason says the front one's no good. That's why we pay him the big bucks. That is going to wrap up the test video of L9LE505, our 2009 Lexus LS460. If you guys are looking for parts off this, oh, hold on. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? That's stanced.
That is true. She's all chewed up on the inside.
JB Weld, bro.
True.
Dude, you could fix this car with a MIG welder and a prayer.
Camber gang.
Camber gang. All you need is a chain, a tree, a Florida man, and a prayer. Florida man. All right, guys, that is going to wrap up the test video of this one. If you're looking for Lexus parts off of an LS460, we've got this one. We got a couple more out there in the yard, so we probably have what you need. Check out our website, link down below, www.jnjautoworking.com. Give us a call at 800-425-1555. Ask for James, that long-haired hippie, and he'll give you an extra special deal.